shouldn't be able to see daylight because my daughter doesn't get to anymore.
That emotional reaction from a Buffalo family just moments after a boy charged in connection with the murder of their daughter was released back out into the streets. The family holding Justice for Emily signs. You saw them there outside the arraignment for the 14-year-old suspect this afternoon.
Yeah, the teenager, one of two boys facing charges in connection with the shooting and killing of 16-year-old Emily Keiper late last month. The 14-year-old formally charged with second-degree murder and first-degree attempted robbery.
And I was in the courtroom for the suspect's arraignment where a judge released him but imposed a curfew before his next court date, which is in October. And Emily's family sharing their frustrations over the decision with me outside the courthouse. Family and friends of 16-year-old Emily Keiper visibly upset outside Erie County Family Court Thursday morning when the 14-year-old charged in the case walked into the courthouse.
Look at my family. My family's torn apart.
Emily was shot and killed last month in what police describe as a marijuana deal gone bad. They tell me a day doesn't go by that they don't think about Emily.
And I'll never get her back because kids made such a stupid mistake.
We'll never be the same without her. And he could do this to other families. And he shouldn't be able to see daylight because my daughter doesn't get to anymore.
I was inside the family courtroom when the 14-year-old suspect was arraigned. He, too, was visibly upset, crying at times. His mother and aunt were also in court. Attorney Christopher Belling, who is not affiliated with this case, explained to me why the 14-year-old is being tried as a juvenile.
In this situation, you have two defendants, and the 14-year-old defendant would be responsible criminally, namely in adult court, if various things lined up. If he was responsible for the underlying crime, because this is a felony murder, and he's not. Had he pulled the trigger, it'd be a different set of facts, and he could be responsible in adult court for that.
Police say it was the 17-year-old who pulled the trigger. He appeared in a separate court Thursday afternoon.
He faces the potential life sentence, the 17-year-old. The 14-year-old being prosecuted in family court as a juvenile delinquent. If he is found to have committed acts that would constitute a felony, namely murder, then he could be sentenced to confinement. And as I read the statute, it could start at as little as 18 months.
The family court judge explained she can't detain the 14-year-old in part because he's not considered a flight risk.
Prior to bail reform, the judge would have had more discretion, and she certainly could have detained him.
But family and friends know nothing will bring back Emily.
This is a nightmare that you never wake up from.
And it doesn't matter the age, it doesn't matter nothing. They took her life and she didn't deserve that. Not at all.
So heartbreaking. The 17-year-old suspect was also indicted today. He continues to be held without bail. He's at the Erie County Youth Services Center. He is scheduled to be back in court in December.